Hello everyone, my name is Grashka, I'm the Pokemon card collector. On today's video we got again Astral Radiance triple blister pack with Eevee. Alright, let's open up and have a look what we got inside. We got a promo card with Eevee. Put that one straight into the sleeve. Metallic coin with Eevee. Code card for you guys. And 3 booster packs. Alright, and before I start to open it, just go ahead and press that subscribe button for upcoming videos. Alright, start to open it. Code card for you guys. Reverse Hollow Shaman and non-hollow Mamoswine. Nothing on this one. Put those two straight into the sleeve. Alright, go to the next one. Black borders. Code card for you guys. Reverse Hollow Switch Char. And, oh, nice, Beedrill. Oh, first time pull that card. Like a full art. Very nice. Slightly out of center. Looking good. Alright, and the last one. A code card for you guys. Oh, nice. Trainer's Gallery card. And Overquill. Not a hollow one. Quite a few hits in this triple blister pack. Right. If you liked the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching it. See you in the next one.